Welcome back. Today we are sitting down with Professor Francisco Cerulo Vargas from FC Barcelona. Professor, great to have you with us. Let's start from the beginning. How do you conceive the game of football?
The game model of FC Barcelona has been taking shape since the 1970s, but it was with the arrival of Cruyff as coach in the 90s that its concepts began to be reinterpreted and reorganized, until, under Guardiola, it fully matured across all its dimensions from the 2000s onward. That way of playing, when you see it on the pitch, comes down to this: trying to play through one fundamental criterion, the pass. Moving the ball to a teammate who is in a better position than me, who wears the same shirt as me. And from there, creating situations across the different areas and zones of the pitch, building enough superiority to keep the ball moving forward until we reach the goal and score. That is the scheme. It sounds simple, and yet, of course, it carries enormous complexity within it. But the essence of the game is exactly that: through the pass, constructing a way of intervening in the game so that every single player participates in that same shared idea.